Welcome to a tour of the Rutherford Westin Homes Art Collection exclusive in the community of Artavia. I'm going to show you around just a little bit. So there is a cul-de-sac down there. This connects to a small little through street that curves around where your mailboxes are, and then there's a little cul-de-sac over there, and then this is the end of our little section right here. So it's nice and small. Has really a little community feel in here, and there's a new amenity center that's going to be built just across there starting in fall of next year. It should be able to be used. So let's take a look at this home. Westin does something really cool in this specific section where they have these outbuildings. Now, everybody in this section uses them for a little something different. It's a blank slate for you. You can make it an art studio. People have used it as a gym. You can make it a little workout room. Whatever your heart desires. You can make it a hobby space if you like to play guitar. You want to come out here and rock out where you don't have to worry about waking anyone up inside. That's also another great opportunity for that. Now, all of the art collection has some really cool modern features. You'll see some of the wood on the exterior just to give it a little bit something different than you normally see. You do have a little bit of an extended patio here and these grand big doors. Look at that. So I want you to not only notice how tall the ceilings are, but look at the curvature of those stairs too. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so here you could put a little coat area if you like to use the front door instead of going in through the laundry room and the garage. So first off is a bedroom on the first floor that's not the primary. So if you have guests for an extended time and you want a space that feels nice and easy for them that's on the first floor so they don't have to worry about going upstairs, this is a great option. Look how beautiful that shower is. And I just want to point out in this home too, as you're walking around, look at the beautiful gold accents. Notice even the doorknobs have the pretty gold. And again, that staircase winding through. Next up, you have your office space, which is a great size. And they also have built-in shelves there too. Everybody loves storage, so here's a coat closet that also has some room for some other things if you need to put them in. Next up, we will come check out your half bath. Just conveniently located, so when you gotta go, you can. You don't have to go far. So again, look at how pretty and modern. This is just a step up from what you see in most new construction homes. Straight ahead is your dry bar, coffee bar. Whatever you like to have, it's ready for you. Ta-da! Look at how big. I'm gonna back up so you guys can see this too. Look at how big this space is. So typically how people would use it, you'd have your living room over there, and you can have a formal dining space here if you would like, which gives you plenty of room. We have a Westin and we had something similar. We actually stacked that whole thing in stone and it made it a huge wow piece in our home. You can also take that wood that they have outside and stack this whole thing in wood too, and that would be really beautiful. So again, now you can see, you can still fit your whole living space here, have a formal dining table if you would like. You also have some seating here at the island. Could probably fit 3, maybe 4 stools. Check out those beautiful light fixtures. And again, all the gold hardware throughout. This beautiful sink. Some great storage. Alrighty, now we are going to check out your back patio super quick. Now this floor plan is really cool because it is a 2-story, but you have the vaulted ceilings in the living room, which allow you to have this really cool vaulted back patio. It also makes it so your backyard is a little bit bigger. So now let's go check out your primary bedroom. Here you go. So it's a great size room. You can easily fit a king size bed plus a seating area plus a dresser. So if you're looking for an excuse to buy those things that are in your Amazon cart, buy this house and then you can get them all wherever you shop for your furniture. Next up is the bathroom. So you can see this beautiful tile throughout. You have a toilet closet. You also have a large walk-in shower. I can open this too so you can see with that beautiful tile running throughout. Soaking tub, nice glazed windows to let in natural light. You have one of the sinks over here, and then you have another sink with a vanity over here to give you plenty of space. If you need some more area to store your towels and everything, there's also this wall here that you could easily put some sort of armoire or storage over here. Ta-da! Now we are in your large walk-in closet. So you have some nice storage over here too. You do also have some shelving. You need a space to put your purses, your shoes. But it's nice and convenient because you are right next to the laundry room too. So easy peasy to just shove your dirty clothes basket over here, do everything, and hang it up immediately, because we all do that, right? We fold our clothes out of the laundry and we hang them up immediately. So here's your washer and dryer area. You also have plenty of space if you wanted to add a spot to fold your clothes, some hamper storage, and or a fridge or freezer out here too. So again, we are on the other side of the kitchen now. Here is your walk-in pantry. Look at how beautiful that is. Tons of space. And it's right off the kitchen. So I'm gonna turn you around now and we are gonna look at, this is the garage and this is like your mud area. We painted ours like a really pretty blue color, just to give it a little pop of something. And then this is your 4-car garage. So it is a 4-car tandem, it's not 4-car wide. However, there's plenty of space in here. It does have a sprinkler system. It also has your water heater. So you are never gonna run out of hot water. We love that. Yay, tankless water heaters. Alrighty. Now let's go upstairs and go check it out. So just a few things about Artavia as well. It has a really cool central area. It's called Dapple Park. And in Dapple Park, they have obviously a park for you to play with the kiddos. They also have a coffee shop there, like a cafe that's on the water. They have space that you can rent out. They have paddle boats. They have a lake. There's a lot of really cool things that Artavia has to offer. We personally love it because there are so many activities and events for both kids and adults. So it really gets us out of our shell, gets us to meet new people, which you can always use more of. Alrighty, now we're on the second floor. So over here you have like a game room area, attic access, and then this would be like a media room. So because there are no windows in here, it will be nice and dark for you. If you want to paint it all black like a lot of people do, just to make it feel darker, you can also do that. You could throw a projector on this side, have a projector screen, drop down, and you can watch some movies and stuff in here. Again, look at how pretty the curvature of this wood is. And Westin is known for these rotundas, so it's absolutely beautiful. All right, now let's go check out the other bedrooms. So you have 2 bedrooms upstairs. Here's one. It is the larger one. So if you have 2 people that need bedrooms upstairs, just warning you, before you actually get in person, call me first. Call me and I'll come show this to you. Before you get in person, they are definitely different sizes. So just giving you that heads up before you get here. has the walk-in closet area. Now, the thing about this bedroom too is that it has its own separate private sink. So you'll see that the other side does have a sink too, but it shares access with the game room because this is the full bathroom that's upstairs with the toilet. So as you can see, I'll get out of your way so that way you can see. This is the other sink, but notice it has access to go out to your game room, and it also has access to that bedroom, and then this is how they access the toilet. So they did a great job with the doors in here. So as you can tell, it doesn't feel claustrophobic. It has 3 doors going in, but it feels fine. Here is the shower and the bathtub. And then this is the 4th bedroom here. Does have the larger closet too, so plenty of space, but the room size is smaller. So if you're making any of those calculations and moving people around in your head, just know that. And here you go. Here's one more view, showing you down just how tall these ceilings are. This home really has that grand elevated feel. So if you've been looking for something that has a little bit more of that wow factor, that is in a community that has a lot of amenities, it has a lot of things, fun things for you to do, then this would be a great option for you. If you have any questions, give me a call. I live in the community. I also live in a Westin, so I'm very familiar with the product and can help answer any of the questions that you may have to make sure if this is the right community for you, if this is the right home for you. If you have any other criteria that, this home just doesn't quite fit, text me at 346-4707, exactly what you're looking for, and I'll pull some homes in some neighborhoods that have that feel or a similar feel to this, but just have a little bit more space. Thanks for touring along with me. I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.